A new version of the scale with modifiers has released. Added a new operator, unify modifiers. Using it you can scale modifiers' size to the same visual size, even if objects have a different scale. This is especially useful if you working with duplicates and you don't want make them a single user. And more. You can copy all attributes of modifiers, even if objects have different modifiers stacks. If you familiar with CSS, it's a same concept as a style mixin. You can create objects with a style and copy the style to other objects. How it works. Usually the last modifiers in the stack defines a style of an object. The unify modifiers searches modifiers with the same type, from the bottom of the stack to the top, and copies them considering the scale of objects. On the round tower I have a tons of modifiers, and this is a hard task to do it manually or using other operators. For more complex cases, you can name your modifiers and press use names, and the script will be working considering names of modifiers. You can use this feature to make the script working from the top to the bottom of the stack. Because in this way the Blender is naming modifiers by default.